Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to use Notion Marketplace. Now, the first thing you should do is to simply open your browser, then search for Notion. And once you search for it and enter to the official site, it will show you this page. Now you have to go up right here on the top left corner, then hover over the product. And after that, choose Marketplace right here. And now once you open this page, it will show you here some featured templates like this. And you can find any template that will suit your marketplace. So here, as you can see, you can simply scroll down and see the top categories. You can see also specific templates for specific marketplaces like the AI powered tools, pets, food and nutrition, etc. And now let's say that I want to choose any one of these templates. Let's say that I will choose this one right here. Just make sure that this template is free like so. Once you click on it, you will have to click on get template or click on view template in order to see all things in the template. So I'm going to click on get template, and once you click on it, you can now simply continue by using one of your Google accounts. And now after logging in, it will show you here this page. Now you can simply click on add to private or select a specific place. And here, as you can see, you can now have the page from scratch like this. Now you can click on templates back, then choose any template that you want. But here in my case, because I clicked on the template and I wasn't logged in, that's why it showed me the blank page. So I'm going to click on plan and plate again. This is the template. And here, as you can see, you have the template itself. Now you can click on change the cover and choose any cover that you need. Let's say that I'm gonna add this one right here. Here, as you can see, I have this one. You can also change the logo or add a comment just right here. You can type anything that you need. Let's say, hello, this is my marketplace. And here, as you can see, I have a comment. And you can also change the name of the page itself. I'm gonna name it astrology. This is just for example. You can also change this emoji. Let's say that I will put a moon. Yes, here we have it. You can also change these cards right here. You can also remove it by clicking on these three horizontal dots, then click on delete, or you can simply drag it and drop it and move it like so. So you can take a specific template, do some modifications to it, change some of the text, the colors, photos, etc., do some repositions, and you can also click on new page in order to add a new page, or click on calendar in order to use one of their calendars, for example. You can also see more templates by going to templates right here, or you can simply click on more in order to see more options. Here you have project planner, for example. You can drag it like this, then put it right here, and when you click on it, it will show you here how will it be displayed. You can also go back and click on this plus sign and add anything that you need. You can add text, page, to-do list, heading, image, or even a video. You can also search for a specific thing right here. Let's say that I'm gonna search for table, for example. Then you can ask the AI, the Notion AI, about it. You can simply ask a question. Let's say how to make a table, for example. It will tell you all these steps. It will just take couple of seconds in order to generate the answer. So here, as you can see, it will show you all these steps, how to add a table. You can simply apply these steps and use it to improve your page. You can also click on new page, start a new page from scratch. And here on the bottom, you will find some options like the Ask AI, Add Table, and many other options. You can also create a new page by clicking on this icon on the top left corner. You can go to the home page where you can find all the templates that you have made. You can also go to inbox. If you have any messages or mentions, you will find it right here. And if you want to change some settings like the email, password, or even some things in the interface, you can go to settings and change here the appearance. For example, let's say that I'm going to use the light color. You can also change the time and date, upgrade your plan. You will see here all the prices, and you can also invite members by clicking on this invite button right here. Then search by typing here his name or email. You can invite someone to work with you on the project. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.